Hi everybody, and oh my gosh, the low sprint glitch again. My big sister's playing Star Stable. I never play it because it's a horrible game.
Actually, you said that was better than Minecraft ones.
I never said.
By the way, Minecraft is for losers, guys. So subscribe if you agree with me on Jane Panda Book's channel.
Jane Panda Book, congratulations! You're the worst YouTuber in the world. This is like my 53rd video.
I only post like one a week.
Oh, that's why you only have 4 videos. Makes a lot of sense. I don't know why I'm killing squids, but I am because they.
I do because you're a nerd head.
No, because they're ugly. No, go and get some air.
You're a nerd.
Did I need to do this?
Okay, everyone, I'm gonna pick the.
Don't bite me, cute thingy. Oh, why can't I not hit you? I hit you. Hey, I'm the bad.
Claire, I'm making the new horse.
Oh my gosh, just don't make me restart my video, okay? Whatever. I'm not shutting up. Because I'm making a YouTube video. Yeah, I'm minting the... How... But you can sprint under... Oh no, I'm gonna drown.
I will be depressed.
I would be like really depressed if you didn't even know how to play Minecraft.
I didn't know how to play Minecraft. I'm better than you.
Oopsies! I have to punch this thing to death now.
All you could want?
Yeah, I know, Alita, I know how to play Minecraft. I'm gonna make you a black bed if you want. Because you're never gonna even play as a user.
Yeah, bed with black dye.
Ink sacks, not black dye, dummy. No, like, it's like 17. I can put like one of my videos in the description. I failed that part per. It was just one of my videos inside of the description, and like it should be pretty good. I mean, I'm sorry about like the horrible microphone that I have on my computer. My computer, my mom's computer, my dad's computer, whoever's computer it is. Just saying it's my computer because I play on it mostly and watch YouTube videos. I never have shouted out to a YouTube channel except for me. It's totally not including...
Shout out to my YouTube channel.
I tried. I forgot on the last video. Because your YouTube channel sucks so much, I didn't even do it on the last video. By the way, this is my 4th video today. If you want, you can watch some of my other videos. Also, I might need this. I know. Because
I'm going to subscribe to your channel because you're mean.
I'm not mean, I just murder things inside of mine. It's not...
With all your YouTube channels.
It's not my fault they're like murdering mobs inside of Minecraft.
Actually, kind of is.
Oh. How is it? So, to be honest, what did you call me? What? I mean, it sounded peaceful. Why am I not losing any hunger? I think you just hit a snapshot. On accident. What is... Oh my gosh, it took a long time. What? No, I did not hit the snapshot, but... Yes, I did. Why did I open up and close the door? You know, I can't climb this. If you want me to, I can make a stupid robotic voice. Real quick, this is like a stupid thing that I thought of, like, can you please subscribe? Come on, you're wasting your time. Subscribe right now. Just kidding, I don't really care if you subscribe or not. Just subscribe right now. It's like one thing that, like, this is the first time I actually ever done it. Die, stupid thingy looking. I just broke my axe because it's made of wood, not gold.
Did you say I just broke my axe?
I said axe. No, don't make it cussy inside. You
said axe.
I said axe. I said I broke my wooden axe. Oh, ow, ow, ow. It hurts when you're naked. I'm kind of not really naked. I'm wearing a hat. By the way, I'm not naked. I'm wearing a hat. Inside of my... I'm tracing a butt. What? that's not a glitch.
Did you just say a beer?
I said, that glitch. Oh my gosh. Thank you, Bunny, for dying. I did not actually mean to do that. You know what I would have done? I would have done that with the hers. By the way, I totally did not just throw raw chicken into the ground because it's ugly and it looks like
chicken.
Ow! I almost fell into lava. Bad lava. I'm not gonna throw my stone storage inside of lava. You know, I should probably get closer to. I'm just looking for some husks. Actually, you know, I found out that I'm actually really not inside of peaceful mode. You know, I found that out like 2 minutes ago. I actually know how to glitch up a 2-block high cactus. What I do is like, oh, yep, I did it. Just takes a little bit of practice. Just rub your skin over the Oh, I'm gonna die. I'm at 1 heart because I'm such an idiot. That took a long time to eat. Because I'm such an idiot of trying to do this. What? Or that glitch? No, it's not a glitch. It's just that I have like a horrible. Yeah, well, yeah, I know you can hear me. You're like right next to me. Hi, Squiddle. Hi, my name's Little Evil Wolf, and I'm here to slash kill myself. To be honest, don't ever slash kill yourself. It's stupid, unless you're like stuck underwater. That's what you know, just slash kill yourself if you're stuck under. Ooh. This taking longer time than expected. Never dig straight down. I just dug straight down, okay? Never dig straight down. I can mine straight down, right? The same thing, right? I got 16 of these. Now I'm just gonna have a cactus.
Did I not help you find it?
I'm totally not a psychopath. Everybody should have heard that. I'm totally a psychopath. It's actually not what I said. I said I'm totally a psychopath.
Let me check my.
To be honest, I actually am a psychopath inside of a lot of things that I do. Ow. I hate this. Oh my gosh, the gravel is so annoying. I wanted flint. That's gravel, not 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 flint. Real quick, let's just say something stupid. I did not know that gravel would fall like this. See? It fell. I know the future. I know how to play Minecraft, people. Okay? I know how to... Oh, by the way, inside of my other video, I might have been inside of Creative for a while. Ow. I'm just gonna drown myself because I'm an idiot. Just... Oh, is that a drowner or a guardian? Oh, that glitch? This squid was inside of a... Yeah, I have a glitchy Minecraft world. And there's zombies, which is beautiful because they're ugly. And they don't know how to
use like just like this zombie.
No! Rotten flesh is kind of useful for like gaining back hunger and getting a lot of regeneration. Actually, to be honest, I just said the whole entire opposite thing because it gives you either no effects or hunger. And also, it does not give you very much regeneration because it's rotten. Like my big sister. Apple.
No, it's rotten like Nathan, my little brother.
What did you call me?
Rotten. Like an
I'm not
apple. Like a shrunken head apple.
That seems cute. Real quick, if you want me to show you a picture of a shrunken head apple, I can. But I'm just not going to do that because there's little kids watching this. Right, little kids? I'm talking
big, ugly nose.
What do you mean? I would be looking at my big sister right now.
Okay, I'm sorry.
I'm trying to get...
I'm sorry I called you a ugly...
Okay,
big nose little kid child named
giving myself sticky keys, and it took a little while. Because I don't know how to get sticky keys. I just shift all the time.
I have nothing against people named Johnny. Johnny's just a different little brat. Like
that eats sugar. And
Johnny!
Yes, Papa!
Eating sugar.
No, Papa!
Telling lies.
No, Mama! Sorry. I just want to fight a few mobs. I mean, it's only nighttime. How many could there be? Imagine my creeper blowing up my bed like this. Boom, kablooey, and then I lose my spawn time forever.
I'm going to kill you, lady. Did I say that out loud?
You totally did. Just don't murder me, okay?
Why is it amazing here is so ugly? Why doesn't he even have a mustache? It's like not even cute anymore.
You're not cute. By the way, I never typed anything inside of the the chat, so only viewers could see it because you're too ugly to know how to see it. This is a little, Gene, I have such a little house. Little.
This house is not even that.
Imagine the creeper spawn here and they just go right here like, oh, there's a creeper, and then it blows up my bed. You know, that happens to me all the time. I'm totally not on top of a door like a psychopath. Okay, that was a failure. Okay, guys, so let me show you like one of the easiest glitches to do. Oh, look, I'm inside of a door, literally. It looks so... oh, my gosh. I can't even look at myself. What is wrong with my character? Oh, hi. I'm inside of a door. Still inside of a door.
Do you even know how
It's
stupid
like...
you are?
I'm not stupid. You're stupider than me. Oops.
I'm
I
mad
suck.
at it.
I suck at everything.
We know. Everyone knows. Everyone will... Why did I get so mad?
Because you're too ugly to know how to get mad. I don't want to fall. It's 2 blocks. I'm gonna die.
You're too ugly to know.
Just kidding. I won't die. I didn't even take a half heart damage.
What should I get?
I cannot believe it. I waited until daytime. Just kidding. I slept inside of a bed. Wow, where are these stupid zombies? Oh, they're annoying. Yes? Who's Claire? Oh, right, my sister. I knew that.
Yeah.
I think my game crashed.
Oh. Wait, Nathan, a boy in my grade named Andrew, he still watches the Powerpuff Girls.
Just watch the Powerpuff Girls, please. They're beautiful. Sorry, I never said anything. To be honest, you probably heard me. They're the... Oh my gosh! You're making my computer lag with all your noises.
Oh, hilarious! You guys looked at me and was like, "I'm sorry."
You know, guys, you know, like, where's the stupid freaking zombie? Let me guess, he's under this. No, he's not. That was a horrible guess.